You. Yeah, you. The one that's watching this video. I'm the messenger. And I'm here to give you a message about what is going on in the rainforest of our planet. And what you can do as an individual. Because killing trees is like killing your own kind.
The rainforests around the world are disappearing at a rate of 6,000 acres every hour. That's like 4,000 football fields per hour. When these forests are cut down, the plants and animals that live in them are destroyed, and most of these species are at a risk of becoming extinct. The harvesting of lumber from the rainforest can disrupt the balance of Earth's ecosystems. We need the rainforest to produce oxygen so that the atmosphere is clean in order for us to breathe. The Earth's climate may be affected as well as the water cycle if we do not do anything to help the rainforests.
They provide us with many valuable plants that can be used in medicine, providing a source of care for some deadly diseases such as Hella, used for heart problems, the Madagascar periwinkle, used for diabetes and certain cancers, and quinine, I believe it's called, used for prevention and treatment, treating malaria, which is a deadly disease carried by mosquitoes. So help save the rainforest, and remember, Mother Nature is...
I'm watching you. Always watch.
Hello? Do you know who I am? I'm CO2. And listen. Remember, if you don't help save the rainforest trees,
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.